go then.
Chris Naran.
And unfortunately, another wet one. This was the start of Copdock Motorcycle Show. But before we build the wall, off to Crazy Horse for Wall of Death night. Plenty of motorcycles to see, nice paint jobs, and Luke showing what he can do with even the largest of motorcycles on the rollers. This followed by a bit of music, and it was soon time for bed. Determined to make the best of it the next day, there were plenty of things to see, including stunts in this arena and the main arena, and even in the wet, some willing participants for motorcycle training. If you look into the background, you can see moist trials riding occurring as well. The final part of the show is the Hell Riders race. In this section, all three riders take to the wall at the same time, ducking and diving, passing and repassing inches from the edge of the track and each other. This is a very high adrenaline part to the performance. And unfortunately, that brings us to a conclusion for all the shows this year. You can keep in touch on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and you can contact us online at originalwallofdeath.co.uk.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our performance. Hope to see you all again soon. Thank you.